Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn that how you can connect or log in to your Spotify account on Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So guys, the first thing you need to do is on your Smart TV, you need to tap on the home button. So once you're here, then you need to go to the apps, just scroll down. And your apps, you need to scroll to the right of the screen where you will find Spotify. If you don't have it, you can download and install the application on your Smart TV as well. So once you tap on that one, so here they say listen to music you love. So there are two options. If you don't have an account, you can even sign up for free, or if you have an existing account, you need to just log in. So once you logged in, here as you can see, use your Spotify app to log in. Here you can use login with a code, as you can see here, and then there is a sign up for free. So we need to tap on login with a code. So here as you can see, you will find a QR code which you need to scan from your mobile. So I will just open the camera of my phone and you need to point it to the QR code on the screen, and then this link, you need to tap on that link. So once you tap on that link, your Spotify on your phone will open, and here they say that you want to pair with this one. So I will tap on pair. So once you tap on that one, it will take some time, and then here you go. You are already logged into your Spotify account on Smart TV. So guys, this is all it takes to connect to your Spotify or logged into your Spotify account using a Smart TV. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.